Hello students, welcome to e-learning session, third session of our first lesson, Adaptations in Living Things. In last session we learned adaptations acquired by aquatic animals, desert animals and the animals that live in grassland and forests. In this session we are going to learn adaptations of the animals that live in snowy region, the animals that fly in the air and the reptiles that creeps on the ground. Students, we will start learning of adaptations of animals living in snowy region. Animals living in snowy regions, they have thick hair on their body. These thick hair are called as fur. These fur protect the animals from severe cold. As we know that in snowy region, the environment is totally cold. They are the sunlight, it falls in that region, it makes wide degree angle. So as a result, it have very less amount of heat. Hence the regions are very cold. So to live in such severe condition, they have thick fur on their body which protect them from the cold. Again, their body color is white or silvery. So which help them to hide themselves in the snow and protect themselves from the predator. And also second point is that this white color, it helps them to catch their prey, because this white or silver color, it camouflages with the snow and helps them to catch the prey easily. These are the adaptations of animals living in the polar region. Adaptations in aerial animals. Animals that fly in the air, they are called as aerial animals. Especially birds. Birds can fly in the air. Now, what adaptations or what changes makes them to fly in the air? So, the birds have spindle-shaped body. So, such shape which bulges in the middle and tapers up towards both the end. It helps to minimize the air resistance while flying in the air. So again, now which adaptations helps them to fly easily in the sky or air? Number one, their bones are hollow from inside. It means their bones are not thick. They have cavity from inside. So which makes the birds light in weight. It helps the birds to remain light in weight. Their outermost covering is feathers. Feathers, they protect the bird's body from injury and they acts as an insulator which protects the birds from cold during winter season and from heat during summer season. The forelimbs of the birds is modified into wings, so which helps to fly in the air. Now the insects also fly in the air like birds. These insects, they use two pairs of wings to fly in the air, and when they came on the ground, they walk with 6 pairs of sticky legs. So these modification, again their body is light in weight, their body tapers off towards both the ends. So as a result, insects can fly in the air. And the bird and the animals like bat, they have patagium. It is a thick skin membrane present in between forelimbs and hind limbs. With the help of it, bat can fly easily in the air. Now the last adaptation acquired by the bird is powerful claws. Some birds like eagles, they have powerful claws to catch the prey and to hold the prey firmly. And such birds also have pointed, powerful beak. So these adaptations helps the bird to fly easily in the air. And now adaptations in reptiles. Reptiles are the animals which have short legs, or some other animals, they do not have legs. The animals which do not have legs are snakes, earthworms. So snakes have the outermost covering scales. With the help of scales, it can creep on the ground. while the animals like tortoise, house lizard and also crocodiles, they can creep on the ground with the help of special muscles. Now lizards have the soles of their legs. So with the help of these soles, it can remain attached to the wall. So and the skin color camouflages with the surrounding. So it can hide itself in the surrounding as it camouflages with the surrounding. So these are the adaptations of reptiles. Adaptations on the basis of food, intake of food. Now animals are classified into two categories, herbivorous animals and carnivorous animals. Herbivorous means that directly depend on grass. Their food is plants. So the animals that eat or their nutrition is only plants, such animals are called as herbivorous. While the carnivorous animals, they totally depend on animals. They take animals as their food. Such animals are called as carnivorous. So they have different adaptations. For example, carnivores. Carnivores have sharp canines which can help them to tear their prey. They have sharp claws. It also helps to tear the prey. So such adaptations helps the animals to survive on the earth. While the insects like butterfly, it has long proboscis to suck the nectar. The frog have long tongue which help sticky tongues, so which help to catch the prey, while the snake have wide mouth, so which can catch its prey with the help of mouth. At the same time, the squirrel, it nibbles its food with the help of its mouth. So these are the different modes of intake of food. Now camouflaging. Some animals have their skin color which merges with the color of surroundings. As a result, they get hide from their surroundings. For example, grasshopper. Grasshopper, it is a green in color. So its color, it camouflages with the color of grass. As its color matches with the grass, it can hide itself in the grass and to protect itself from the predators. Like lizards also. Lizards, all lizards or other plant lizards, their color camouflages with the surrounding and it protects itself from the predators. At the same time, it can catch prey by hiding itself in the surrounding. So such mode is called as camouflage. Thank you students. The next part we'll learn in fourth session and we'll conclude our lesson.